Thing will only run for like 2 seconds with the choke on, and then it just dies, no matter where the choke lever is. And the gas smells pretty bad, so let's get it up on the chopping block. I'm not used to working with the tripods, so let's see how many times I almost knock this thing over. Air filter's not bad. See how the oil leaks real quick. Terrible. I think we got a full tune-up package on this. Alright, old-fashioned it is, because I cannot find the right piece. Well, I thought I had my mic on this whole time. Boy, was I wrong. Anyways, let's get this drained. Hey, Amazon's here for my next project. Yay. Okay, so Amazon just came by to drop off my package for my riding mower project, and she handed it to me. Started walking back over here to get back to work, and the corner of the bag was clearly cut by a box cutter. So I called her back and I was like, hey, there's nothing in this bag, it's been cut. So now I guess I have to wait a couple more days for them to send a new one, which is unfortunate, but it's okay. Let's see what comes out of this bowl. You can see it very well. I'll try to plug it. We have water. And the needle. I need to get a flathead screwdriver to get that jet out. Kind of hard to see. You can see it a little better now. We took a flathead and took that jet out. Then there's one more that has to come out. Sometimes you have to open this little butterfly valve and stick the screwdriver in there and hit that piece right there. And so sometimes it can be stubborn. I had to get a pick and stick it right through the middle of it, and you'll see it fall out the bottom. It has tiny little holes on it. They get plugged up. You see, you can't see anything through them. So we got to poke those out and clean it. Just using my little poker here to clean all these holes out. I'm going to spray it out real good. So we're all good to go there. I can just drop that back down. And we'll drop that back down and get it screwed in. Then we'll clean out all these other jets and all that good stuff. I like to take note of the way I'm mounting this and then turn that little screw to the side. That way if I need to drain this, I can still access it. I'm going to go ahead and drain the rest of this gas out too. You can see all the junk that came out of there. The water in the bottom. Alright, so let's get this back on. Gotta somehow keep this in place and put the air filter. Oh, gotta hook up the gas line first. Okay, now we have to keep this in place. Get that hose on the cover and bolted in at the same time. Bear with me. I went ahead and got it all lined up and barely screwed in. Then I used some needle nose to get that tube back on there. Air filter on. Let's change the oil, spark plug, and sharpen the blades. Fill it up with gas. Out with the old, in with the new. I like to use one of these little transfer pumps. One end goes in here, one end into my milk jug, water jug, I don't judge, whatever kind of jug you want. Your plans, there's no gas in it anyways, so we just turned it over to drain the oil. That way I can sharpen the blade while that's happening. Alright, look at that. Chef's kiss. Alright, it kind of spilled down the side of it, but that's okay. It'll make it look nice and shiny. Put that in there and check it. Now we got non-ethanol gas going in. Alright, now fingers crossed we have a fully working lawnmower here. I sold a Honda yesterday and I got $300 for it. I didn't record that one because it didn't need anything. It was just priced too low. So I bought that for $60 and I sold it for $300. So I know I can get $300 for this one as well. Thanks for watching.